Yes or no? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Then why are you
Yes,
not
ma'am.
answering? Okay, I will repeat it again. See, we are discussing about the ring counter. If the serial output of the shift register is connected back to the serial input, then the pulse is going to be circulating. This is called as a ring counter. Now we are assuming that one state, you can assume any one, okay, doesn't matter. So we are assuming that the initially stage is 1000, okay. Now what is happening that we are discussing. So next state, what is going to be happen? This Q naught we are connecting to the this first flip flop. What will be the output of the Q3 if it is a 1? Now here Q naught is a 0. Am I right? What will be the output of the first flip flop? What will be the Q3? That's why I told you to write down these things Q3, Q2, Q1, Q0. Just take this as a 1000. Then what I am saying, this 0 bit is going towards the first flip flop. Then what will be the output of Q3? D flip flopचं आउटपुट काय असतं? What is the output of D flip flop? Truth table. No one. It means you have to revise the truth table of all the flip flops. We have seen the truth table of flip flops, excitation tables, and also we have seen the conversion of flip flops. Then we are turned towards applications of this, that is a shift register, and after shift register we are starting the counter. अभी तक जो पढ़ाया है वो सिर्फ इसमें यूज करना है. डी फ्लिप फ्लॉप ट्रूथ टेबल, कैन एनीवन टेल मी? Can anyone tell me the truth table of the D flip flop? इसका मतलब है आप लोगों को कुछ समझ में नहीं आया. Anyone? गायत्री खोत सांगता येईल का? If you don't know the truth table of the flip flop, how you can understood what is happening, what output we are getting? Prabal, ट्रूथ टेबल प्रत्येकाच्या काढायला लावले होते ना मी. Is it a difficult question? या क्वेश्चन ही समझ में नहीं आया? No one is able to answer. Just only D flip flop. It is the simplest flip flop. D input जेव्हा 0 असतं, whenever D input is 0, what will be the output?
same as D.
What?
Similar होता है मैम D के.
So what I am asking now? Just I am asking you, our initial state is a 1 0 0 0. That means Q3 is a 1, Q2 is a 0, Q1 is a 0, and Q0 is a 0. After applying another pulse, it is going to be shifted only, isn't it? So now, whatever at the Q0 state, अभी Q0 पे क्या है फर्स्ट स्टेज में?
0.
Yes, 0. So 0 कहाँ पे जा रहा है ये? It is fed back to the first
Okay.
flip flop, or you can say it is the last one. So D, for D, what you are getting?
0.
0.
0.
Means what will be the output of Q3?
1.
Q3 will be 0. D flip flop क्या करता है? जो simply यहाँ पे आता है वो just it is transferring. So you are getting the same bit at the output. So that's why see this red indicates. Why it is indicating? Because Q0 यहाँ पे Q0 क्या है? Red से indicate किया है. ये वही क्या गया है? यह इस Q3 stage पे गया है. This output Q3 is nothing but the bit present in a last clock pulse that is going to be shifted over here only. So that's why it is a 0. Now whatever was at the Q3, that is gone to the this second D. So what will be the Q2? अभी देखो ये Q0 क्या यहाँ पे आ गया. So that bit is going to be 0. तो पहले हमारा Q3 क्या था?
0.
S1 स्टेट S1 में Q3 क्या था?
1.
1. So that we are going to give as an input to next flip flop. So next flip flop output we are indicating as a Q2. Now what will be the value of Q2?
One.
So why are you in confusion? सी हार्डवेयर है इसलिए आप लोग ऐसे टेंशन मत लो. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? जस्ट दे आर शिफ्टिंग, नथिंग इज देयर. सो Q3 bit is going to be input as a here. So output will be 1 Q2. अभी पहला हमारा Q2 क्या था? पहले स्टेट में Q2 0 था. 0 था, yes. So that is going to be here, isn't it? So what will be the output of Q1 now?
0.
So that 0 is going to be shifted. That's why this green indicating that this bit is shifted over here. Then Q1, previously Q1 क्या था? Observe S1 state and accordingly observe S2 state. Then you will understand. क्या था Q1?
0.
0. तो 0 मैंने यहाँ पे लास्ट वाले को दे दिया. So D is now 0. Then what will be the Q0?
0.
Yes, जो यहाँ पे है वही यहाँ पे जाता है, इतना ही है. So you will get a 0. Now next state, see S3 state. Now you have to compare between S2 and S3. S3 लास्ट S2 में Q0 क्या था? 0 था. So we are applying here. Now what will be the Q3?
0.
So that's why this yellow is going to be shifted over here. So this is the Q3 as a 0, isn't it? Now what will happen? This is going to be shifted here, this is going to be shifted here, this is going to be shifted. You can go see one by one, or you can directly write like this, because shift register का application है, that is only shifting in a particular manner, that is a single input single output, like वो structure है. Got it? So again, see, this one is going to be shifted here in S4 state, this 0 is going to be shifted here, this 1 is going to be shifted here, like this. Then S5 state, 1, Y1, see here. In S4 state, Q0 is, what is the Q0?
1.
1. So that one is going to be here. So what will be Q3?
1.
Feedback है ना, सिर्फ feedback दे रहे हैं. So Q3, you will get Q3 as a 1. So again, this will be 0 is now going to be shifted here. Q2 state, this is going to be shifted here, and this is going to be shifted here. Now again, if you take, so this is going to be repeated again and again. At this stage, the cycle is going to be repeat it again. Got it? So that's why it is formed like a ring, and again it is going to be repeated. Again you will get the same output. If you further apply the things, you will again get 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. मन में आया इसलिए वहां पे 0 1 लिखा नहीं है. We have assumed this state. You can assume the state any state you can assume. Anyone feel that I will assume that 0 1 0 0, doesn't matter. Okay, so accordingly your this table is going to be changed. All of you got this?
Yes, ma'am.
गुड वन. अभी ये ऑब्जर्व करो पहला वाला. अभी जो रिंग काउंटर मैंने बोला वहां पे फीडबैक कहाँ पे है देखो. Because Johnson's ring counter is another counter and there is only a slight change in between. Now I'm not going to tell you what is changed. You have to tell me what is changed in a diagram. All of you just observe the first diagram of 4-bit ring counter. देखा क्या?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'll switch to the next diagram. This is also called as a twisted ring counter, or it is called as a Johnson's counter. Now there are 3 flip-flops. So states are Q2, Q1 and Q0. Now tell me what is change in diagram.
Output of last flip flop.
क्या किया है?
Last flip flop का output change किया है.
रिंग में भी वही था ना, वैसे ही था ना?
Q0 है. रिंग में Q0 था, ये not Q0 है.
Yes, that is the difference. Here in the shift register, Q0 bar is connected to the serial input. This circuit is now called as a twisted ring counter or Johnson's counter. Got the difference in a diagram?
Yes, ma'am.
यहाँ पे हम लोग Q3 भी लिख सकते हैं. फिर one more flip flop you have to add, D flip flop. Doesn't matter. See, if you learn conceptually, there is no need to mug up the things. Okay? एक डायग्राम अगर समझ में आ गई, डिफरेंस आप सिर्फ नोट डाउन करोगे तो कोई भी डायग्राम आप लोग निकाल सकते हो. Is it okay? Now we'll see. Now here total number of state is equal to 2 into total number of flip flops. How many flip flops are there?
3.
3. So there will be 6 state. See, S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, S6, S7, S8. We have written this like this. Doesn't matter. Initially, here it is not that we are assuming that 1, 0, 0 or anything. We are assuming it initially. We are applying a negative pulse or we are clearing the input so that means we are resetting the flip-flops. It means each flip-flop is having the output as a 0, 0, 0. Okay, so our S1 state is a 0, 0, 0. When we are saying that this Q naught is a 0, what will be the Q naught bar?
1.
1. Now this one we are applying to this flip-flop, isn't it? So for S2, what will be the Q2? Second state.
1.
Flip-flop is going to change the state whenever we are applying the clock pulse. Clock pulse apply करने के बाद ही वो change करता है state. Otherwise, it will remain in a same state. Okay. Now see, this will be 1. Again, this will be 0 and 0. Nothing is there because it was 0, 0. So it was a 0, 0 and will be as it is. अभी इस टेबल में क्या किया था, देखो ये यहाँ पे ऐसे शिफ्ट हुआ है, इसलिए कलर से दिखाया है, उसी सेम कलर से दिखाया है कि A1 यहाँ पे गया, A0 यहाँ पे गया, A0 यहाँ पे गया, लाइक दिस. अभी यहाँ पे देखो क्या हो रहा है, this is 1 and here it was a 0, 0. Okay, now next Q naught is now our Q naught क्या है अभी S2 state में Q naught is a 0. So what will be again Q naught bar?
1.
That one is going to be again come here. So now again S3 will be 1. That means Q2 will be 1. Then Q1 will be 1 because this is going to be shifted here. And this is also going to be shifted. That's why it is a 0. Similarly, continue like this. So again it is a 0. That's why Q naught bar will be 1. So this will go here. So again this will be 1, 1, 1. Now Q naught is a 1. So Q naught bar will be
0.
0. Now this 0 is going to be here. So see at this stage it is Q2 is a 0. Then again it is a 1. It is a 1. Like this, just continue and you will get this as a counter. Write down this statement that total number of state is equal to 2 into total number of flip-flops. Okay. We'll see the slides from your syllabus. ये जो वहां पे था ये यहीं पे, लेकिन वो डायग्राम के नीचे तो इजीली समझ में आता है. That's why I referred our departmental slides. These are the 100. Just we are seeing about the ring counter and the sequence is going to repeat after this 4 state. So see timing sequence of 4-bit ring counter. So कैसे रहता है? This will be clock pulse we are applying, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Again this is repeating 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we are applying the start bar. Then Q naught will be 1. जो यहाँ पे देखो Q naught will be 1. Here Q naught is going to be 1 when you are applying the clock pulse initially, or it is a, you can say it is a 0 clock pulse. So Q naught is going to be high for this period only. See here it is 0, then again it is going to be high. Again it is going to be high during this period only. Okay. Now टाइमिंग डायग्राम बहुत बच्चों को समझ में नहीं आते. लास्ट नेक्स्ट ईयर आप लोगों को माइक्रो कंट्रोलर है, तभी टाइमिंग सीक्वेंस और टाइमिंग डायग्राम्स रहती है. नाउ व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ Q1? Q1 1 कब है देखो यहाँ पे 1 में clock plus, whenever we are applying the first clock pulse it is going to be 1, otherwise it is a 0. Again whenever clock pulse is a 1 it is going to be high, otherwise it is going to be 0, like this. Similarly for Q2, when the clock pulse is a 2, we are applying, whenever second clock pulse is applying, then only Q2 is going to be high, otherwise it is going to be 0. यहाँ पे भी 0 रहेगा, बाद में भी 0 रहेगा. Whenever there is second clock pulse occurs, then only this is going to be high, like this. Similarly for Q3, when the third clock pulse is going to be high, then only it is a high, otherwise it is a low. Just it. Johnson's अभी देखा हम लोगों ने. This is the sequence. ओके, नाउ ये हम लोगों ने कल ही डिस्कस किया था. बेसिकली दिस काउंटर इज अ रजिस्टर कैपेबल ऑफ काउंटिंग द नंबर ऑफ क्लॉक पल्सेस अराइविंग एट इट्स क्लॉक इनपुट एंड टेक डाउन दिस स्टेटमेंट. अभी हम लोगों ने देखा कि 3 बिट काउंटर या 4 बिट काउंटर फ्लिप फ्लॉप कितने रहते हैं? One flip flop stores 1 bit. So n bit counter has a n flip flops. All of you got this?
Yes, ma'am.
अगर मुझे 5 बिट काउंटर डिजाइन करना है तो कितने फ्लिप फ्लॉप लेने चाहिए?
5.
Yes, okay. And it has 2 raised to n distinct states with maximum count of 2 raised to n minus 1. This is also important statement. It has a 2 raised to n distinct states with a maximum count of 2 raised to n minus 1. अभी इन दोनों में देखो कितने फ्लिप फ्लॉप थे?
4.
So how many states are there? ओके, एक एग्जांपल लेंगे तो ज्यादा समझ में आएगा. अभी सिर्फ बेसिक समझ लो. सिंक्रोनस काउंटर और सिंक्रोनस काउंटर हम लोगों ने डिफरेंस लास्ट लेक्चर में भी शायद देखा था. क्या है असिंक्रोनस काउंटर और सिंक्रोनस काउंटर? टेल मी अबाउट स्पीड. व्हाट अबाउट स्पीड? किसका अच्छा है? कॉम्प्लेक्स कौन सा है? We have discussed these things already in last lecture. Okay. In synchronous counter, what is happening? There is no connection between output of first flip flop and clock input of the next flip flop. Means we are applying the clock simultaneously. But in asynchronous, what is happening? Output of the first flip flop drives the clock for the next flip flop. Okay. That means all the flip flops are not clocked simultaneously. Because of it, simple circuit is there. Here synchronous complex रहता है. But because of this arrangement, these counters are slow because there is a propagation delay. And for synchronous counter, it is not like that. We are applying the same clock at a time. So these counters are fast. That is the basic difference between the asynchronous counter and synchronous counters. आप लोगों को टर्मवर्क है? मैं ऐसे ही मार्क्स नहीं देने वाली. I will ask basic questions. So this will be this is my most favorite question. Asynchronous or synchronous? Concept is not going to change anywhere. समझ में आया? asynchronous में और synchronous में क्या difference है?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it a synchronous circuit? Is it a synchronous counter?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. So now by observing the diagram, you should be able to answer it. Is it a synchronous?
Yes.
Yes. We'll see this one. Is it a synchronous?
No.
No. वहां पे ऊपर लिखा है इसलिए asynchronous है क्या? चेंज है कोई?
यहाँ का आउटपुट क्यों दूसरे इसमें इनपुट नहीं जा रहा है?
आउटपुट when we are calling it as a asynchronous counter.
So when there is no connection between flip-flops and clock is not simultaneously connected.
What about then clock arrangement? theoretically statement ऐसे मत बोलो, conceptually see in a diagram and then tell me what is the change in a diagram. That we have written it theoretically only. What is the change in diagram? Can you observe this? See, this is the clock. And what is the clock? ये फर्स्ट का जो फ्लिप फ्लॉप का आउटपुट है वो कहाँ पे दिया है?
Clock.
कहाँ पे दिया है?
Clock.
सेकेंड के क्लॉक को. दैट इज द मेन डिफरेंस. दैट इज asynchronous counter. See, this is the statement. Output of the first flip flop drives the clock for the next flip flop. तो इसलिए मैंने बोला कि स्टेटमेंट आप कैसे भी अपनी लैंग्वेज में लिख लो. अगर एक बार डायग्राम में चेंज क्या है ये समझ में आना चाहिए. है क्या यहाँ पे ऐसा? फर्स्ट फ्लिप फ्लॉप का आउटपुट एज अ क्लॉक नेक्स्ट फ्लिप फ्लॉप को दिया है. इज इट लाइक दैट?
Yes, ma'am.
We are observing output Q naught here only, but also what we are doing, we are giving output of this flip flop to the input of to the clock of the next flip flop. अभी यहाँ पे आगे भी रहेगा तो Q1 हम लोग कहाँ देंगे? If there is a one more flip flop, JK flip flop, then where Q1 should be connected?
Clock.
कहाँ पे कनेक्ट करना है?
नेक्स्ट फ्लिप फ्लॉप के क्लॉक को.
Yes, that is the answer. Next flip flop के clock को. कितने भी सारे flip flop लगा लो. When you are saying that it is a asynchronous counter or it is also called as a ripple counter, then output of the first flip flop drives the clock of the next flip flop. That can be also statement. हम लोग ये जो है conceptually कैसे भी लिख सकते हैं. मैं ऐसे भी बोल सकती हूँ ना, आउटपुट ऑफ द फर्स्ट फ्लिप फ्लॉप ड्राइव्स द क्लॉक ऑफ द नेक्स्ट फ्लिप फ्लॉप. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are the same. Both our statements are correct. आप कौन सा भी लिखो, कोई इश्यू नहीं. जस्ट आपको ये समझ में आना चाहिए कि क्या चेंज है. ओके. रिपल काउंटर आई एम शोइंग हियर. सी this we'll see from my notes. This asynchronous or ripple counter, why we are calling it as a counter, or what is the difference of synchronous and asynchronous? That is the counter in which all the flip flops are not clocked simultaneously. Simultaneous नहीं किया है क्योंकि पहले का आउटपुट आएगा तभी दूसरे का क्लॉक ड्राइव होगा. So they are not clocked simultaneously. It is called as a clocked or ripple counter. If you consider 3-bit binary counter, so how many state will be there? 3-bit. So state will be 2 raised to 3. Counter 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will count up to the 7. So states this Q2, Q1 and Q0. Okay. If I write like this in a binary equivalent, this is the 0, 0, 0. 001 up to 111. Okay, now just observe this Q0. See what is happening. It is going to change at each clock pulse. Should I say like this?
Yes.
Yes. What is the next? 0, 1. 1 है तो यहाँ पे नेक्स्ट में 0 हो रहा है, फिर से 1 हो रहा है, फिर से 0 हो रहा है, फिर से 1 हो रहा है, फिर से 0 हो रहा है. ओके, सो दिस इज द स्टेटमेंट देयर. सी the output Q0 of flip flop changes for every clock pulse. So this can be achieved by using the T flip flop. T flip flop मतलब क्या करना है, हमें सिर्फ बार बार क्लॉक पल्स अप्लाई करने के बाद वो टॉगल होना चाहिए. एक बार 0, एक बार 1, एक बार 0, एक बार 1. ओके, नाउ सी Q1. Can you link between the Q1 and Q0 when it is changing? See, when now here Q0 is a 0 and Q1 is also 0. Okay, initially at counter state 0. So it is going to be changed from 0 to 1. Q1 में ऐसा हो रहा है क्या?
नहीं.
नहीं. Now see if it is changing from 1 to 0, is it Q1 changes?
Yes.
Yes? Yes or no?
Yes.
Ma'am.
When Q0 is going to change state from 1 to 0, Q1 is going to change state from 0 to 1. Similarly यहाँ पे 0 to 1 देखो तो यहाँ पे चेंज हो गई क्या स्टेट Q1 की?
No, ma'am.
No. So this
No.
is the conclusion that whenever it changes from 0 to 1, there is no change in the Q1, but whenever Q0 changes state from 1 to 0, Q1 is also going to change. So now this is the second statement that the output Q1 changes state when Q0 changes from 1 to 0. Okay. Now Q2. Q2 देखो और ये देखो. Q2 और Q1 में कोरिलेट करो. What you can say? यहाँ पे 0 to 1 हो गया. Is there any change in? Is there any change? 0 to 1 है तब यहाँ पे चेंज नहीं है. लेकिन जब ये 1 to 0 चेंज हो रहा है, is there change?
Yes.
Yes, there is a
Yes, ma'am.
change in state of Q2 also.
Yes.
So see, this is the third statement that Q2 makes a transition whenever Q1 goes from 1 to 0, and this can be achieved by connecting Q1 to the clock input of the MSB of the flip-flop. क्यों हम लोग ऐसे अरेंजमेंट कर रहे हैं काउंटर में, क्या हो रहा है, ये दिस इज अ ट्रूथ टेबल दैट वी रिक्वायर्ड लाइक दिस. काउंटर मीन्स हमें इतना काउंट होना चाहिए. तो हाउ यू कैन डिजाइन द, हाउ यू कैन मेक द अरेंजमेंट ऑफ द फ्लिप फ्लॉप. फॉर दैट वी आर ऑब्जर्विंग दिस आउटपुट and we are linking all these stages accordingly. Now we are going to connect this toggle flip flop. Okay, so this, see, we are connecting, we are using 3 flip flops, flip flop 0, flip flop 1 or flip flop 2. So T0, this Q0 we are connecting clock to the another flip flop. Q1 we are going to connect clock to the another flip flop, and T of each कई बुक्स में इसमें क्या कर किया है, ये वन सेपरेटली नहीं लिखा, उसके वजह से अल्टरनेटिवली इट हैज रिटन लाइक दैट दे आर कनेक्टेड टू द VDD. ऐसे भी कर सकते हो, ऐसे भी कर सकते हो. इंडिविजुअली यू कैन अप्लाई वन टू दिस और यू कैन टाइड ऑल दिस टू द VCC और VDD to get a 1. So this circuit is called as a up counter. This circuit is called as a up counter as it counts in a up direction. Okay, so what we have studied, we have seen the up counter. See the, again observe the diagram, because there is a little bit change in a up counter and down counter. Same arrangement you can use, but there is a slight change so that there should be a down counting. Just observe this. यहाँ पे भी डाउन काउंट है कि नहीं पता नहीं. No. I will show you one diagram. This is about up down. Here separately it is not given for the down counting. Just a bit. Okay, can you see this arrangement? Yes or no?
Yes.
We are using the JK flip flop. Now almost circuit is looking same, but now we are calling it as a down counter. Can you tell me the change in the diagram? This diagram was for the up counter and this is for the down counter. What is change? Is there any change? Then we'll stop. इतना आंसर दे दो फिर हम लोग लेक्चर खत्म करते हैं. Code for today's lecture is 23. Or write down 32. Can anyone? वहां पे क्या करेक्ट किया था? That's why I have told you. Just see the diagram. See here, Q0 is connected to the clock of the next flip-flop. Q1 is connected to the clock of the next flip-flop. And here, if you observe what is connected here?
Q bar.
Yes, Q0 bar is connected to the clock of the next flip-flop. Here also Q0 bar is connected to the next. जब प्रैक्टिकल में आप लोग ये करके देखोगे तो आप लोगों को समझ में आ जाएगा कि ऐसे करने से क्या हो रहा है. डाउन काउंटिंग इज गोइंग टू स्टार्ट. So this is the only change between the up counter and down counter. I'll take it again. Is there any difficulty in all this? 4-bit ring counter, you should be able to draw this table, write down, you should be able to write down this table of ring counter. You should be able to draw this diagram. Note down the change in the ring counter and the twisted ring counter, or twisted ring counter is also called as a Johnson's counter. We have seen the different counters. We have seen the ripple counter, that is up counter, and also we have seen the डाउन काउंटर. वहां पे टॉगल फ्लिप फ्लॉप यूज किया था इस नोट्स में. ऐसे कुछ नहीं कि वहां पे वही करना है. यू कैन यूज द जेके फ्लिप फ्लॉप ऑल्सो. सो सी द चेंज इन द डायग्राम व्हेन इट इज काउंटिंग अप, when it is counting down, and when it is going to count up and down also. You are having up down counter also. Okay, that I will conduct it later on. Got the difference between up and down counting?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the change you have to do it for up counting?
For up counting, we have to output Q, and for down, we have Q bar.
Yes. कहाँ पे देना है?
Clock.
Clock को. Is it a synchronous or asynchronous?
Asynchronous.
Yes, very good. Should I stop sharing? Almost within 2 lectures, we will finish this unit. Okay.
Ma'am, can you repeat the code?
32.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Should I end the meeting or is there any difficulty? Anyone?